Hello everyone. Once again, Ripal Shah from London with some new changes from 28 November today for the red list country, which UK government put it 6 destination in red list because of the new variant they found in South Africa. So there are some country gone to the red list like South Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia. There's a 6 destination. If the people are coming back from there from today or now onwards, they have to be hotel quarantine for 10 days like it was before. So they started only for those country only. So other countries are as it is in open list. So nothing changed for that. Lots of question and lots of the phone call for India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Dubai and those country. If people are coming back from those country is as it is the rules is nothing change at the moment. So be careful, don't panic unnecessarily. Lots of people are panicking and calling me and finding out the new rules. What to do is as it is. While you coming back, fill the passenger locator form, day 2 test. Lots of the question for day 2 test. They say, oh, we booked the lateral flow day 2 test from private provider and we heard now we have to do the COVID test, proper RT-PCR. No, either lateral flow or RT-PCR test, one of them. It says clearly on UK government website. I just read it now before 5 minutes before I make the video. So it says clearly people are coming back from non-red list country. They have to do passenger locator form and day 2 test, which is lateral flow test from private provider or the COVID test. Either one of them. It says clearly on government website. So don't panic for that. Number two, lots of the question about the OCI. Oh, Indian government banned the OCI and they're stopping. That is completely rubbish. There is rumors. People doesn't know and they unnecessary spreading the news. OCI is banned for some of the people of group. They came from Canada in India and they join in farmer protests. So those only UK government banned for them only, not for everyone. So people are going from UK to India on OCI. They don't have to worry about anything. One small things for domestic flight. Lots of people are going India and they went in India and they catching the domestic flight to go for holiday or to see their family or whatever. There is lots of the domestic flight rules and regulation depending on the state where you're going from. So be careful. There is an online check-in is mandatory for domestic flight. Doesn't matter where you go, is compulsorily. 2 vaccination certificate is compulsory to go in a domestic flight. Number 3, if you are going Bangalore side, Karnataka, from Kerala or from Maharashtra, means from Mumbai, you need RT-PCR test for domestic flight too. So find it out those things before you catch the domestic flight. Very important. And don't panic unnecessarily. I mention, and one more time, I mentioned so many times that buy the flexible ticket, don't buy the non-refundable ticket. If you buy the non-refundable ticket and if something goes wrong, your money will be on a risk. Be careful. Pay some extra money, like when you drive the car, when you hire the car or you drive your own car, you go with the fully comprehensive insurance with legal cover, courtesy car, breakdown cover. So those things, same thing in flight ticket. When you buy the flight ticket, be careful. Please buy the flexible ticket. Wherever you buy from, doesn't matter. There's a thousands of travel agents. Call 10 people and buy one of them from one of them. But ask them for cancellation and date change policy and luggage policy. I mentioned so many times. Lots of phone call in last 2 days. Oh, we buy by mistake, we buy from the online. What can you do? Can't do anything if you buy the non-refundable ticket. I'm not against the online booking. It's fine. Absolutely. Ask same travel agent of online and tell them you need a flexible ticket and pay 20-30 pound extra with them. It's fine. My concern is don't lose 100% amount of money. I mentioned so many times. डूबोगे अगर नॉन रिफंडेबल टिकट लोगे ना, फिर वहां जाओगे, फंसोगे, फ्लाइट कैंसिल होगा तो डूबोगे आप. ગુજરાતીમાં કહે ને આપણે કાપે તો લોહી નહીં નીકળશે અંદરથી. I mentioned so many times, again and again, because I hurt myself. When something happened, I got 10-15 call. Oh, I bought the online non-refundable by mistake. What can you do? तू गया वाइट, डूबेगा तू. Finish, game over. You don't have to call anyone. Throw the ticket and buy the new one now. So situation at the moment, whatever you book, the ticket or holiday, just make sure keep the cancellation policy in your favor. otherwise you will lose the money. I give you the example of driving insurance, home insurance. When you do the home insurance, you always add the content cover. Correct. Doesn't matter you have a camera or alarm in your house. So same thing with the air ticket. When you buy the electronic gadget, you do the protection for 1 year. So same thing with the air ticket. Is your choice end of the day. But do not panic. At the moment, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, those countries are no issue. So far so good. Especially India, I heard they got double vaccinate more than 100 crore people. So it's good situation there. That's what we want. We want for the whole world like that. तो हमें सबके लिए ऐसा ही चाहिए. तो लेट्स सी, डोंट पैनिक. द रूल्स आर एज इट इज़ फॉर इंडिया एट द मोमेंट. फ्यूचर तो वी डोंट नो, लेकिन पैनिक होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइक यू एंड लव यू ऑल. बाय फॉर नाउ.